In this video, I am going to show you how to see if someone is logged into your Instagram. If you want to see if someone is logged into your Instagram, keep watching the video till the end. It's very simple and easy process. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Click Profile icon. Then tap on three-dot menu. Now, click Account Center. Click Security and Privacy. Finally, click Where you are logged in. Now you can see device and location. If you don't recognize a device, then change your Instagram password. Thanks.